Alright, so my drill beat drum kit is out and it's called Drill Beats Distorted Drum Kit. So let me just explain about the MIDI files for the 808. The rest of the things, they are just simple and straightforward. So let me just open the folder. So these are the folders which are here. Let me just show you the folders, starting from here where it's written BFB Distorted 808s. Go to the MIDI files, open it. Pick this one. Also, this 808 is from the same drum kit, 808 number 5, 140 BPM. Then the key is G major. So this is the key in which I made it in. You can use it in any key. You can just change it and make sure that it is playing the keys which are found in that key which you are using to make a drill beat. So let me just drag the same one and drop it on the 808. Click accept, close this, go to the piano roll. So here, this is where I wanted to explain. So when you see two notes playing at the same time, so just slide this on top. Double click, you can start with any. So I'll start with this one, just double click on it. Then click on slide, then accept, go to the next one, do the same thing. And the third one, take it an octave up. So if you want this Drill Beats drum kit, the link will be on the description below and also pinned on the first comment on the comment box below. Are you a producer, beat maker, artist, video editor, or content creator? I've got something that can be useful on your journey on my online store. You can visit my online store by clicking the link on the description of this video or on the comment box pinned on the first comment. See you on my online store.